A beautiful green day for cryptocurrency. We've got the Fear and Greed Index. That's not the Fear and Greed Index. We've got the Fear and Greed Index sitting at level 59. Altcoin season hasn't even begun yet. And we've got Ethereum, guys, testing, what is this, $4,331 this morning. Pulling back a little bit to 42.11 at the moment. But man, we have breached resistance that we have seen over the last year and a half, 2 years, and we are ready to test the 2021 all-time highs. I truly do believe that we are going to see the biggest bull market rally that this cryptocurrency industry has ever seen. I believe that we are going to grow. We're going to grow fast, so you better pay attention now. And because of that, we're going to be talking about some of the best cryptocurrency to buy now is $400 billion gets added to the market in a week. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Now, guys, I'm going to go down through this article in a second here, but I want to show you something, right? Ethereum breaching recent highs, breaching resistance, ready to run higher and test all-time highs. Bitcoin, you know what? Let's take a look at the graph for Bitcoin here. Bitcoin doing the same exact thing, hitting new all-time highs, and once again, the green candle on the week, positioning it to test all-time highs as early as this upcoming week here. But we've even got little meme coins, okay? Your mom. This is a funny one. I have bought into this one because I am literally diversifying into everything that I possibly can. Look at what's happening over the last week here, guys. Even little meme coins are resurrecting, getting ready to rip. Now, these types of tokens, these little ones with $1 million market caps, these are the ones that can 100x in a bull market scenario or even better. So with that, I am adding responsible positions to my portfolio, knowing that it is time for the resurrection. It is time for a meme coin super cycle. It is time for a bull market rally to take place. So let's take a look at what analysts are saying are the best cryptocurrencies to buy now as $400 billion is added to the market. It says the crypto market has been subdued for weeks after pulling back from its all-time high of near $124,000. Activity slowed and many traders stepped back while waiting for stronger signals. That has now changed. The past week has seen a decisive recovery driven by both large-scale institutional activity and renewed surge in retail participation. Now, I don't believe that retail are driving prices in altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, and so on. I believe that that is institutions. But tiny little tokens like this, yeah, dude, institutions aren't buying your mom. This is retail that's going out there and pumping this up. So I do believe that this article is correct in saying that retail is jumping back into some of the smaller meme coins out there. Now, it says earlier in the year, the total crypto market cap value came close to $4 trillion before correcting sharply. On August 3rd, it fell to around $3.6 trillion, with sentiment readings turning into fear. It was a level of 48 fear for 48 neutrality, depending on CoinMarketCap, 48 fear on CoinStats, Fear and Greed Index here. So it does depend on where you look as to whether or not it was neutral or fear. This level acted as a base from which the recovery began. By August 10th, the market had climbed to 4.02 trillion, marking a $420 billion increase in a single week. Bitcoin's rise back to 118,000 only accounts for part of this move. The fact that total market value is now equal to levels seen at Bitcoin's peak means that much of the gain came from altcoins. This suggests traders have been rotating into other assets, seeking higher percentage returns. ETF flows have played a central role in the turnaround. During the correction, outflows reached almost $1 trillion, draining liquidity from the market and adding pressure to prices. Last week, the trend reversed sharply as inflows of more than $860 billion entering the market. Large-scale ETF inflows typically signals institutional confidence and provide deeper liquidity for spot and derivatives markets. So with that, let's talk about some of the best cryptocurrencies to buy now, tokens that may launch soon. Now, these are pre-sales that they've got on here. These are brand new tokens. Number 1, Bitcoin Hyper. Number 2, Snorter Token. Number 3, Best Wallet. And number 4, Token 6900. Now, with that, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin Hyper in this video. This is one that I have bought into on 3 separate occasions, and I am very excited about it. if you guys are excited about it, you got a link for it in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this website right here where you can see that they've already raised $8.18 million. And the next one day in 21 hours, the price is going to rise again. Now, all you have to do to buy is click buy with crypto or buy with card and connect your wallet. You scan that QR code with the wallet. I like to use Best Wallet or Trust Wallet, completely up to you. On your phone, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. We're going to come back to this website in a second here. It says Bitcoin Hyper is a project that has been introduced with a meme theme, but built with utility. The project is a layer 2 network built directly on top of Bitcoin's base layer to improve transaction speed and lower fees without compromising the security that has made Bitcoin the most trusted asset in the entire crypto space. By using an additional settlement layer, it allows for transactions to be processed off-chain before final confirmation on the main Bitcoin network. This design helps reduce congestion and enables features that Bitcoin alone has traditionally struggled with, such as near instant transfers and more complex contract execution. One way to think about Bitcoin Hyper is an express lane running alongside the main Bitcoin highway. The underlying infrastructure of Bitcoin remains the same, but traffic is diverted into a way that allows for faster and more efficient movement. This is especially valuable for traders, businesses, and applications that need high throughput without sacrificing the security. It says, in the current market environment, where capital is increasingly rotating towards assets with strong foundations, Bitcoin Hyper presents a way to expand or extend Bitcoin's reach into new use cases. As activity in the crypto space expands, demand for faster and cheaper Bitcoin transaction is likely to grow. So with that, the way that it works is you're going to be able to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. From there, you can transact with near instant finality and very cheap transactions using the Solana virtual machine. And then utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, it sends all the transactions back to the Bitcoin network where it's validated. And finally, when you're ready to withdraw off of Bitcoin Hyper back to the Bitcoin network, you're going to initiate that request. It's going to send those Bitcoins back to your Bitcoin Layer 1 wallet address, where you can, of course, use it the way that you would like on the Bitcoin blockchain. If you guys need instructions on how to buy, it is very simple. You simply connect your wallet, type in how much you want, and then claim on claim day. And then tokenomics available. You've got frequently asked questions available. But guys, this is a project that is growing very quickly with 17,400 followers out on their X account, already over $8 million raised, all at a time when Bitcoin is preparing to break all-time highs, all at a time when people are ready to rotate into altcoins, all at a time when meme coins are finally starting to bounce back up. I do believe that we are going to see some fantastic gains in this upcoming market. People are going to be talking about the bull market rally of 2025 for the next 4 years until 2029, 2030 takes place. So here's the deal. Are you ready to invest? Are you ready to buy these little meme coins? Are you ready to invest in cryptocurrency before the FOMO sets in? I have answered yes. I have bought all of the cryptocurrency that you guys see on the screen. I am ready for the gains. I am willing to take that risk, and I am willing to accept the reward. I want to know if you guys are. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.